2009 Toyota Prius. We've just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. To do this, go ahead and press your power button. Make sure that your screen is on the ODO for odometer. These two buttons right here, we're going to power off. Hold down these two buttons and then press our power button 2 times. While holding these buttons, you'll see that you have a countdown happening on your dash. Once that resets, your oil life or maintenance light has been reset. Feel free to turn the vehicle off and then start it. Of course, this is the Prius, but you didn't hear the motor sounded, but it definitely just turned on. So anyway, if you'd like to see another video on one of these vehicles, go ahead and check out that one next. I made that one just for you. But other than that, if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.